Welcome to Meet the Docs with your host, Grant Otten, brought to you by Columbus Community Hospital.
Welcome to another edition of Meet the Docs, brought to you by the Columbus Community Hospital. Today I'm sitting down with Dr. Steve Koukol. I said that right? Correct? Yes. Okay, very good. Well, doctor, I guess just to start off, can you tell me a little bit about what it is you do?
I'm a urologist, and what a urologist does is just takes care of diseases of the genitourinary tract, which includes kidneys, bladder, prostate, male genital system, as well as some female issues, incontinence, and other matters of those organ systems.
Well, and you're here in the new physician's clinic, the new visiting physician's clinic. I guess on your way to getting here, what was the kind of the educational journey that you took, and why did you decide to study this field?
I originally started getting interested in urology just because I liked surgery, and it is a surgical subspecialty, and so that prompted my interest. I went to medical school at the University of Nebraska Medical Center, and then after graduating there, I did a year of general surgery, and then I went on and did my urology residency training at West Virginia University in Morgantown, West Virginia. And then shortly after that, in 1994, came back into practice in Omaha, Nebraska with the Urology Center. And then, within that first year, several of my classmates from medical school and good friends who are primary care physicians in the community here had a need or identified a need for urology services, and so they'd contacted me, and then myself and one of my senior partners started coming up here in 1995 to start doing an outreach clinic, and it's grown and we've built it up ever since that day.
Have you enjoyed your time here in Columbus, and why have you continued to work here?
Oh, absolutely. I've enjoyed my time here. That Columbus has a very good base of primary care physicians, and that helps make my job easier because they can take care of, some of the problems when I'm not out here, and they're also very good at identifying and then, subsequently making appropriate referrals for things that I, as a urologist, would be able to take care of or would need specialty care. And so, and the patients also are just a very good group of community to take care of overall.
Very cool. So when you're not spending your time in Columbus, where else are you working at?
The rest of the time I practice in Omaha, Nebraska. We're a group of 12 urologists, and 4 of us actually come out here to do outreach clinic and spend time seeing patients, doing some procedures that we're able to do out here, and then some of them are necessary to do in Omaha because of technological things such as robotic surgeries and things like that.
Very cool. Where you? And I got to ask, you ended up in Columbus, but where are you originally from?
I originally grew up in Omaha, Nebraska.
Oh, very cool.
And grew up there my whole life, so I kind of returned to my roots. I also have some family ties with the Columbus area. My father-in-law's from here originally, and so that also gave me another nice instant recognition, or at least a group of people who would say good things about me early on in my career to help me get started.
Very cool. Well, Dr. Koukol, I appreciate you sitting down and joining me and talking a little bit about what it is you do and where you came from.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Well, and thank you guys for joining us as well for another edition of Meet the Docs here in the Columbus Community Hospital. We are in the visiting physicians clinic, and they got a lot of stuff going on around here, so be sure to come check it out sometime. We'll see you next time.